Lankesh, who was assassinated also for her neutral stand. One thing that we need to understand that the genesis, the beginning of all this started from a thought process. That thought process was there in this country much before we got independence. And that thought process which we are fighting today, they first divided us into professions that we perform. A person who could hold a sword became a Kshatriya, a gazer became a Yadava. Systematically divided us into castes and creeds. Then they further divided the minorities and Dalits were all one. Dalit was one, Ambedkarism. After his death, till he was there, he framed the constitution to protect the Dalits and the minorities. But after that, again the thought process came in to divide us further. The touchables and untouchables, the Gauris, and so forth and so on, and the Dalits got divided. Then the minorities, the Muslims, we got divided among different factions. This is a systematic assassination that this thought process which started has levied on us. Today, what we need to understand is that we need to connect with the youth. When I speak about youth, I come from a generation which believes in perception and not in reality. Most of the seniors who are present in this gathering will not believe in perception. They would like to touch and feel a product before they would buy. But I hail from a generation who has not seen in India, which was 50 years back. I personally come from a generation which has seen India just pre-globalization and post-globalization. So, keeping this perception mindset in mind, this present incumbent dispensation of our administration came to power, they are further dividing us, and now we have changed the strategy in uniting. As rightly our brother said, that most of them, from my Dalit to OBC, they have said that we don't belong to Hindus. Now they have taken them and made them Hindus. So, by eliminating the minorities and unifying the Hindus. So, we need to understand this in a much deeper sense, strategically counter these forces. If not, this democracy, we will not be able to save this democracy in the future.